Hey, my name is Dan McDonald. I'm the Life Regenerator here on YouTube. It is a joy to have you with me today. I'm going to be making a delicious hot soup. This is butternut squash and broccoli soup. I've got everything here prepared in front of me. I've got some boiled water. Use the purest water that you have access to, and then take 4 cups of chopped butternut squash. You'll have to peel it and de-seed it and chop it into bite-sized chunks. Next, you've got a couple of cups of chopped broccoli. And then I'm going to add a cup of chopped white onion. And then I've got probably 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. This is actually chopped in nice large chunks. So about 2 tablespoons or a nice little piece of ginger here. That's what's going to give you that warmth in the winter time, along with that onion as well. And finally, I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of sea salt. And then I'm going to add just a dash of cayenne. My friends Candace and Adam, they like the spicy stuff. So just a little bit of cayenne there. That also is going to add warmth and heat to your body in the wintertime. And then once this is boiled for about 5 minutes, you don't want to overcook the broccoli. Just make sure that the butternut squash is nice and tender. I'm going to give that a stir, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let that boil for about 5 minutes with the lid on, and then I'm going to take it off the heat, take the lid off, let it cool a bit, and then I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of honey. One thing that would go also very well in here, besides all your favorite additives, you know what you like, is a little bit of lime juice as well once it's cooled down a bit. So that is the butternut squash and broccoli soup. Someone's going to transcribe that down below because I have the best viewers in the entire world. Now it's time for me to go to the market. Then I got to go to Costco, and I'm going to be making a whole bunch of delicious food for church tomorrow. I'll try to make some videos about that if I have time. It's usually about a 4 or 5 hour ordeal here, because all I've got is this thing here to make food for about 60, 80, sometimes 100 people. So I have to do one thing, pour it in to the big thingamajigger, you know, and then do another layer. And so it takes quite a while. But anyways, I'm having a good time. Thanks for watching this video. Share it with your family and your friends. Give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below, and I will make some more recipes for you, and I'll share everything I can. Just having a good time here and have a desire to be of service. So thank you very much. Have an epic day. Peace be with you. Aloha and mahalos. DTM is out. 4 minutes.